Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys hot hotspot setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys hotspot password guys. How can we check and guys how can we use our hotspot password setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys swipe and guys click on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting. So guys what will you have to do? So friends, you can see guys this connection and sharing option. So friends, tap here and guys you can see personal hotspot. So guys tap here guys, click on hotspot setting and guys you can see guys your hotspot password from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in our Realme phone. And guys you want to rename this password, so guys you can rename. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.